Good morning, students. I hope you all are healthy and safe. This is Subjit and this is your English class. Dear students, today we will do helping verbs. Not all verbs express action. Earlier we discussed the verbs that show actions like any work which is doing. Some common words we use every day like is, am, are, have, had, has, was, were, and a few more are non-action words. These can be called helping verbs. These are called helping verbs. Now we will learn how to use these helping verbs. Here, this is how we use some of these verbs. Students, you have to learn this table, this one table carefully. Like with I, we use, if we have to use him is mr, that time we use am for I, like this, I am. And whenever we are using you, we, they, we use, these are the plurals, so we will use are with them. And he, she, it, that means singular, so we will use is. We will use is with the singular, are with the plural, and am with the I. Clear? Next is we use have with I, and you, we, they also we use have with them, and he, she, it, these are the singulars, so we will use here has. Okay, we use have with I, with you, we, they, and he, she, it, we use has with them. Okay, and next is was, were. We use was with I, and with he, she, it with the singular, and you, we, they, with them we will use were. These are the plurals. Okay, we have to identify is it a plural or a singular. After that we can choose a correct word. See, here are some examples like I am sleepy, you are sleepy, she is sleepy. I have a book, we have a book, he has a book. I was happy, they were happy, she was happy. In this way we can choose which one helping verb is required in this sentence according to that. According to this table. First we have to learn this table properly. Please, it's my request ki read it 2 to 3 times. Only this table. Which one helping verb we have to use with a particular words like I, you, we, they, he, she, it. Okay, and next is there is one practice that is in your practice English course book at page number 63. That is very simple practice. See, choose the correct helping verbs. One has been done for you. There are 3 helping verbs. We have to select. We have to choose it according to the subject. We will clear first. Is it a singular or plural? We will use according to that. Or with I, we will use. We can say we can use am. Like I am a student. Next is she. Am, are, is. We will write here is. She is very friendly. Next is the dogs. These are the plural. Many dogs we are talking about. And dogs are in the house. Okay. Some more practice is there, that is in your English course book at page number 63. See, my mother, am, is, are scared of spiders. My mother is a singular, so we will write here is. Next in E part, we dash, we is, am, are in school. We, these are the plural, so we will use here are. We are in school. And next is F, this book is, am, are my favorite. This book, only one book is here, so we will write here is. Next in G part, they is are shifting to the house next door. They, plural, and we will use are with they. Okay, next I is are going on a holiday. I am, हमने उस टेबल में रीड किया था कि आई के साथ हमेशा इज एम आर में से हम एम राइट करते हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज आई, हिज पेरेंट्स इज एम आर अवे टू Mumbai. His parents, we are talking about mother and father both. So these are the plural, so we will write here are. His parents are away to Mumbai. Next in last, Roshni is are writing a letter. Roshni, one girl is here, so we will underline is here. Roshni is writing a letter. Dear students, one more practice is there that is mentioned in your English practice book at page number 25 under the section My Turn 5. That is also very simple exercise. Complete the sentences using these helping verbs. Only am, is or are. 3 words are here. We have to choose from these 3 words. Like in one, I am tall. And in B part, she dash a talkative girl. She is a talkative girl. And in C part, they dash best friends. They are, they is a plural, so we will write here are. Okay, next in D part, you dash late. You are late. हमने are के साथ you के साथ भी ये रीड किया था कि हम उसको are को राइट करेंगे. Okay, next is he dash head boy. He is a singular, so we will write here is. He is the head boy. And some practice is left, that is in your English practice book at page number 26. See, we dash at the circus. We is a plural, so we will write here are. We are at the circus. And next is dash you telling the truth. You word is here, and with you we will write are, but we will write first letter capital because we are going to start a sentence. Are you telling the truth? Like that. Okay, and next is she dash in Delhi. She is a singular, so we will write here is. She is in Delhi. And next is dash I in the right classroom. Here the question is here, but we have to use the word with I. We will write here am, but we will write first letter capital because we are going to start the sentence. Am I in the right classroom? Like that we will complete it. And in last, it dash a rainy day. It is a rainy day. In this way we have to complete our 2 practices. I hope the concept is clear to you. Thank you.